Hello, investor and trader. Welcome back to an episode. Man, a lot of things have changed for me for the past month and a half, or since my last video, like dramatic change. One dramatic change is the market kept going down, 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 right? It's like every single time we have a rally up, nope, go back down, like a bunch of bullet traps. Man, it wiped out my interactive broker account to the point where I was so embarrassed to make any posts. I was so good to like 31% return in this year, right? And my last video, and then suddenly I just got hammered because the market kept pulling back. No, just kidding, that didn't happen. My account is doing pretty good, actually, doing better than the market. So let's get into the account and show you where my interactive broker is standing right now. So here's my interactive broker. Let me zoom out a little bit and go to home. So right there, the account number is right here. So right now the account only at 6,300. So the last video, it was right here around 33, 34% return, right? And then this happened. It brought the account all the way down to negative 1.5%. And now it's back up to 18%. Man, what a roller coaster this year, right? So what's inside this little account right here? Well, I can have A and D. So let's go back to here. Right here, I sold put, but I got a sign. So now I own 100 shares of AMD at 90, pretty much 96 bucks. So upon when I sold AMD, let's go back to the chart right here. I use Fidelity platform. Oops, sorry about that. Oops, sorry about that. Let me go here. Come on, minimize. There we go. So let's go to AMD. So around April, I sold put for AMD. So let's go with 6 months. Easier picture to see. So it's like right here. See how AMD was going up? So I sold put. At that time, AMD was holding pretty good at the $100 level, right? But nope, it just breaks through it. So I'm like, okay, so I got a sign. On top of that, I got a premium of $4 per share, so that's $400. That is why you see here it is at 96 instead of 100 because I already collected the premium. So the premium is already accounted for. So now I'm in the trade already. So what's the next step? Is to sell cover call, right? So I did. So I sold 100 um, call option at $100 strike price due another 2 months from now, July 15th, and I collected pretty much almost 700 bucks. No, 600 bucks. Damn, I thought 700. My friend collects 700 bucks. My friend also in the same trade as me. But anyway, so this account collects 600 bucks. So now it's just a waiting game, right? It's just a waiting game for me. On top of that, every single month I need to deposit money into this account, right? So if we go to here to performance, overview. Another side story is that I don't deliver pizza anymore for over a month already. Yeah, I quit that job. Yeah, a lot of things, like I said, a lot of things has been changed for me dramatically. So I no longer deliver pizza. I worked there for 10 years, believe it or not, 10 years, over a decade on the side while doing my other stuff. It was uh it was tough, but I had to make that decision to say goodbye. So, anyways, so here, right, my last deposit was May 2nd, 1,000, and here April 7th, 1,000, so on, right? So the total deposit, does this show here anywhere? Right here, 5,800. Right now, the account is at 63, so I'm up tiny bit, but not much. Still early in the game, right? It's only May, right? You still have like another 6 more months, 7 months to go before the year ended. I'm still gonna aim for that target. So what was that target? Well, it's right here. So this has to change because this is no longer applied. Remember, this is for the pizza, but I'm no longer delivering pizza. The last time was right here. Let me minimize it so you can see right there. This was my last day right here, like almost practically a month ago. So yeah, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna stop. That does not mean I'm gonna stop contributing to this account and grow this account. Right now, I just do a different side hustle instead of doing pizza. So let me go here real quick. So I still want to hit this target by the end of the year or more. That's the goal, right? That's the goal. So right now, balance goal is 63. I'm at right on 63, so I'm on track. I'm not like I'm down or anything like that. So yeah. So what I have been doing on the side to fund this account? Well, I've been doing Spark for Walmart. Yes, I deliver food grocery for Walmart now on the side. Um, so let me show you. So this, wrong one. Let me go back to that. Actually, in a little bit. Sorry, I'm jumping all over the place. But I want to show you this picture that I. Where'd the picture go? What the heck? I just took a picture of my car. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, I think I closed it. Let me go here real quick. Yeah, I deliver food, Spark for Walmart on the side instead of delivering pizza. The reason why is because I moved. I no longer live in Southern California. I live in the Bay Area now, in next to San Francisco. To be more exact, I live in San Jose. Yes, the heart of the Bay Area. Damn, it's hella expensive down here compared to where I used to live. I moved here due to a job offer. So the day job, I do have a day job now. Before I don't. I'm a I'm a system engineer for a little tech company. Well, not really little, but a tech company that's offered me this job, so I took it. But then I'm free after 4 or 5 p.m. like the usual, like the usual 9 to 5 and stuff. So I decided, you know what? Instead of delivering pizza, I just want to try what's other stuff out there that I can do on the side, right, on my own spare time. So I decided to join Spark without doing much further homework, like compared to Uber Eats, compared to Instacart, compared to Grubhub, blah 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 blah. I did not do much research, to be honest. I just go with Spark. Why it was Spark? Well, it's very simple. From this Walmart right here is like half a mile from where my office is at, my engineering office. So I'm like, after work, I can swing by Walmart, do some food grocery delivery, and then go home. You know what I mean? Because remember, I live in San Jose. I deliver uh, Walmart for this Spark in Morgan Hills. That's like, so you go to the map real quick to give you guys a little detail. Because maybe this is a future video, but I don't have time to go all in one video because that's like a lot of information. So let's go to San Jose map. So there we go. So I live like right. Damn it! It shows exactly where I live. So I live right here, North San Jose, somewhere around here, right? I work right here, Morgan Hill. You can see from here to here is 40, no, 35 miles. 35, yeah, 35 miles to be more exact, around 30 minutes. So I deliver Walmart around here. Now you may ask, why not deliver right here on my way home? Well, because San Jose, I hate this city, to be honest. It's nice and all, but I don't like apartments and I don't like pack. You can literally find parking here. I hate it. But yeah, but I don't like apartments either. So do all my years of delivering pizza, I hate apartments because that's just gonna slow you down. Morgan Hills, on the other hand, less apartments. In fact, it's mostly single-family homes, pretty much like middle-class homes. Like all these houses are in the millions, so it's pretty cool. So anyway, so I work here, my 9 to 5 job, and then after work, I can swing over to Walmart. That's why I picked Morgan Hills. Okay, so that's a little side story of what I do to fund this account, right? It's actually per account. Remember, this 6,300 here, it's all from minimum wage job or side hustle. It's not from your 9 to 5 career job. You know what I mean? If any, the whole point I'm trying to do this is anybody can do this, guys. To have a small account slowly grow to a 6 figure to a 7 figure account over time, but you have to stay consistent. Okay. All right. So let me go here to the oh, yeah, that's the picture. So let me go to some of the stocks. So right here. So sorry, I'm jumping all over the place again. So here, Netflix. Let's talk about Netflix real quick. Netflix tank, right, due to earning, and I heard like around 2 million subscribers gonna be short next coming quarter. So a lot of investors are panicking. So you can see here, April 19. I said tomorrow Netflix open to 50, right, because it gapped down. Agreed? So let's go to Netflix real quick. So Netflix. I'm watching Netflix too, but I haven't bought it yet though. But so April 20th, when I make this text to all my friends. So this is back in April 20th. So like right here, major earnings. Our earning gap down majorly, like negative 30+%, right? And I said right here, but check this out. I did not say as a buy, did I? No, I said it's 250, but check it out right here. So April 20th, the next day, I said Netflix 230, getting closer to 180. Now that's the key price right there I want to mention. Back in April 20th, I already have my eye at 180. That's like what, another $50, $60 down? You're probably thinking, are you crazy? That's way too much down. It can't go any more lower. Well, the answer is yes, it can. So the whole point I'm trying to say here is you have to look at a bigger time frame. Remember, this is a daily time frame. We have to go to the weekly, the monthly, even the yearly sometime, okay? So let's go to the weekly real quick. Notice here, it breaks all the moving averages, right? Right here is where it breaks, right? So I know, okay, I gotta zoom out a little bit. What after 1 week? Duh, the monthly chart. That's why I said 180. You can see it right there. Look at this 200 moving average on the monthly chart, you see? So that's why I said 180 back in April 20th when it was around 230, 240 a share. I should have sold put or something, right? But I didn't do it. Oh well. So right there. So can this hold? That's the question. I don't know. We will see, right? I'm not a psychic. But if we zoom more out a little bit more, let's go to the yearly chart. Let's see what we get. Well, there's support right here at I don't know about 120, but hey, maybe we can sell put at 120, right? I rather buy Netflix at 120, 130 than at 180. Just sell put, collect some premium. Meanwhile, waiting, just get paid for it, If you get a sign at 220, great. It's better than at 180, but I don't know if it hit 280, 220 though. But hey, you never know. So if you just think about it, right? 3, 4, 5 months ago, it was $600, $300 plus a share. Even Bill Ackman, the hedge fund manager, he bought some right here and he took a massive loss, like 400 million or something. He sold out already. No one expected Netflix to hit 180, right? So it can happen. And another stocks that I want to cover is Tech2 Chef. Now you watched my previous video, is it a buy? I made a video about Tech2 Chef way back in like almost a year ago, a month and a half. No, a year, a half a year, 8, 9 months ago. I said watch the $10 level, $8 level. Guess what? We're at $6 level, so it's even cheaper than it is. So is it a buy right here for me? For me, honestly, no, it's not a buy. You want to buy, go ahead. But look at the weekly chart and the monthly chart, especially the monthly chart. Remember, you need to go to the bigger time frame. Now, unless you're one of those investors who want to invest the long term, go ahead, by all means. But you'll make a quick buck. I don't think this is the time to jump in. Tech2 Chef. You can sell put at $5, $4. Wait for it to hit. Once you get hit, sell cover calls, right? That's what I'm doing. No, I'm not talking about. That's what I'm doing as the strategy of swing trading, not Tech2 Chef. I do not hold any Tech2 Chef, by the way, so let you guys know. I don't hold any meme stock or growth tech crazy stock. I hold like basic chicken stocks, like the S&P 500 stocks, like the usual. You watch my video how I trade, you should know I don't trade risky stocks or invest in risky stocks, and I mentioned them many times in my previous video. These kind of stock right here, Tech2 Chef, and what else? What's that stock called? The Rivian, whatever it is, right? All these crazy stock I avoid, like Lucid, I avoid. Neo, I avoid. But I do find Neo getting more attractive. I did mention on my last video, now go back and take a look at it. I did said right here, where to go? About this gap right here. You watched my last video like a month and a half ago. I said, watch this gap. Guess what? It filled in, right? Good thing you didn't buy right here, right? Or else, whoop, that's not a happy camper. So let's see, what else I got right here. Yeah, so Spark. I don't have time to go over the detail, but I can show you what I've been doing for Spark. So far, this is what I do every day. I do a little bit here and there off of work, because I have a regular full-time engineering career, so I don't have time to do Spark full-time. So this is all part-time, but it's getting near kind of good number, I guess. So today, the 22nd, right? I made 200 some bucks today. All this money right here gonna go fund my Interactive Broker account. So let me go here real quick and show you guys the results, more detail. So if I go here, oops, go here, hold on real quick. I want to show you guys the other picture that I have. Here we go. So I've been doing Spark like literally one full week. I started last Sunday. So this is my results so far, around 13, 1400. I still have not added in yet as the incentive, because the Spark Walmart, it has this incentive that I like, and it kind of motivate the drivers to, try a little bit harder. You know what I mean? That get these little bonuses. So let me show you. It's pretty cool. I like it. It just requires to put in some work, like this right here. Today, every additional trip that I do, I get $6 extra. I did 10 trips today. That's quite a lot if you think about it. But hey, it's fun. I enjoy doing it. And then here, another incentive. If I get 12 trips, I get $120 extra. So that's like what 120 plus 60, 180, 180 plus something right here, right? So 1500, 1600 in 1 week. That's not so bad, to be honest. We will see how far this can grow over time, and I'll keep you guys update on Spark. Maybe give you guys a tour when I do the Spark. Also, remember, this is my first time doing Spark, my first full week, so I'm not an expert, but I'm still learning as time goes along, right? So another account I want to share with you guys is my Fidelity. I call this account option account, if you recall. So this is my Fidelity account. It's doing okay, not bad. Only up 21, 22,000. So I started this account a couple of months ago. This is where the sell-off. Remember, this is where the sell-off, all the stock market. But my account been going up and up and up and up and up. Why is that? Well, it's very simple. You have to know the chart, right? Just look at the chart and trade not like safe, but just know what you're doing. In other words, just don't buy because a YouTuber telling you to buy or stuff like that. I don't follow no YouTubers. You know what I mean? I do my own thing. They do their own thing. This is my result. I'm gonna share with you guys, right? And I also put money into account too, so that way I have more buying power over time. Every month I put in 1,000 toward this account also. Not only this account, I put 1K here. I put 1K here. I put other money everywhere that I have, to grow my account. I have mainly portfolio, so I try to grow over time. But this account strictly, well, mainly for option. This account just a bunch of option, a bunch of trade here and there, and whatever, just to grow it. So here's the close position. Like I already closed and take profit. As you can see, I already locked in 6,000. This is where I started, right? You go back here, see where I start around October, November-ish. So it started out pretty small profits, 600 there. Sorry, 60 bucks for entire month, and then 700, 400, 700, 1,500, 500, and 2K recently. As you can see, what I trade, it's like I said, there's no hype stuff here. It's just pretty much all boring except for that one. A lot of PAGS, but a lot of just boring stocks. So AMD option, CCL option, stuff like that. So I took a $400 loss right there, $100 loss right there, Foot Locker, a small little loss right there. But yep, overall, this month so far, it's only up 2,000. So not bad for a side income for this little Fidelity account. We will see how fast I can grow this by the end of the year. But so far, I like the chart is going up. I only wish this chart a little bit better, but it's like a crazy roller coaster on this account, right? All right, I hope you guys are doing well. More updates in the coming videos. Sorry, I'm very busy lately because, like I said, I moved. A lot of things have been changed for me over the past month and a half. So next update video will be much more in detail what I've been up to. So besides, working and stuff like that. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.